The Bank of Uganda has ended its statutory management role in Imperial Bank effective 7th March 2016. The Bank of Uganda took over Imperial Bank after it was placed by the Central Bank of Kenya last year under receivership over unsafe business practices. The bank has since been searching for a strategic investor to take over the majority stake at Imperial Bank. Tanzania's Exim Bank is now the new shareholder of Imperial Bank's 58.6% stake in Uganda. The acquisition has now led to a change of name, as Imperial Bank Uganda will now be referred to as Exim Bank. Details of the transaction value were not disclosed, but Imperial Bank shareholders had hoped to raise 1.2 billion shillings from the sale of its Ugandan subsidiary. Back home, the state of Imperial Bank remains largely unknown. The sale of Ugandan business leaves shareholders in a tight spot, with the Central Bank of Kenya essentially managing its affairs. Shareholders had proposed to inject 10 billion shillings into the bank, recover stolen assets, as well as the injection of additional capital from a strategic partner. But the shareholders and the Central Bank of Kenya have been unable to come up with a viable solution, with indications that the bank could eventually be liquidated. Already, depositors with a maximum of £1 million shillings and below have begun to receive their money back in full. DTB and Kenya Commercial Bank have been facilitating repayments to customers. Denis Otieno, Citizen TV.